Hey there, it's Tom Townsend reaching back out to you. Hey, before I forget, I wanted to make sure that I sent you a link to my app. It's a Keller Williams app. It was just developed. We put a ton of money into this thing. I've tried all the real estate apps out there. This happens to be a really, really good one. Go ahead, check it out, download it. It's free. Anytime you're out and about and you want to know what's going on in that particular market area or maybe the pricing of a house that you're driving by, it's really, really intuitive. It'll automatically know where you're at and be able to pull all the information in. So as it relates to your house, just curious, if you had a buyer that came in and fell in love with the house, gave you a great offer, just curious if that was still something that you would consider or even a possibility. So just trying to get a feel for just if you're still on the market to try and sell the home or not. I'd love to talk to you about that. And anyways, I'll continue to follow up with you, answer any questions that you may have about the market, about your house, or how we get the houses sold and the buyers that we work with. So hope you're having a great day. Make sure to download the app. And I'd love your feedback. We're still kind of testing it out and making sure that everything's A-okay. So feel free to give us your feedback on it. And let us know if you'd even entertain an offer. Hope you're having a great day and to talk to you soon. Thanks.